Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join an alliance in Whiteout Survival. Now, before anything else, here's a very important requirement. You need to upgrade your furnace to level 7 to unlock the alliance feature. Once you reach that level, the alliance menu will become available in your game. Now, once it's available, go ahead and tap the alliance icon at the bottom. Inside, you'll see a list of alliances you can join. You can either browse through them or search for a specific alliance if you already have one in mind. And here's a pro tip. Try to prioritize active and top ranked alliances, especially the ones you see on the leaderboard. These alliances usually offer better rewards, more help from teammates, and faster overall progress. And when you find an alliance you like, check their requirements first. Some alliances require a certain level of power, so make sure you meet those before applying. If it's an open alliance, you can join instantly. If not, just tap apply and wait for approval. Once you're in, you'll unlock benefits like alliance help, events, and extra rewards that'll boost your progress in that game. And that's it. Just remember upgrade your furnace to level 7 first, choose a strong and active alliance, and make sure you meet the requirements before joining. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.